In today's video, we are going to talk if you are a user of Fusion 360, Autodesk Fusion 360, and you want to know how you can access your personal website or the Myhub, which have all the parts you design in the Fusion 360 and saved it. So how you can access the Myhub website web link of all the parts you designed and saved in Fusion. So there is basically two methods. One, you have to paste this link, myhub autodesk360.com, and you have to sign in, and it will give you the access to your personal website. So the all the models you will have here, um, and the folders. So for me, if I open this folder, I have these models in it. The other method is that if you want to access your MyHub, just go here on the show data panel, expand it, and then you have to expand your name and click here. So this link will be open, which will have all the folders of your design which you saved in Fusion 360. So for example, if I am going to open this one, this folder, and I have this design. So I can open it, and the um, view will be here, review, and click view and document, and you can also see your model in 3D view like that. And here we have different tools, zoom in, zoom out, and we can on this website we can check our model. So this is the way if you want to access your My Hub.